Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up administrative contact in domain contacts presets on NameCheap. So for that guys, first of all you will need to log into your account on your desktop. Now get to the top right corner, now select account and then select profile. Now scroll down, select tools. Now scroll down again, select domain contacts presets management. Now you guys can see this category right here called administrative contact. Select its scroll down icon, choose one of these options. Now scroll down till the last, select this save changes button, and that's how you guys can successfully set up your administrative contact in domain contacts presets on NameCheap. And that's it for the video guys. So if you find this video helpful, then make sure to share this video with your family and friends, and also subscribe to our channel for more such content, and thanks for watching.